We will study what is data discretization and concept hierarchy generation. This is part of data reduction process, data discretization and automatic generation of concept hierarchies. Data discretization process will help to automatically generate concept hierarchies. Discretization techniques can be categorized into two. We can use either top-down discretization method or we can use bottom-up discretization. Top-down discretization is also known as supervised discretization or splitting. Bottom-up discretization is also called as unsupervised discretization or merging. Discretization can be performed recursively on an attribute to provide a hierarchical or multi-resolution partitioning of the attribute values. So this process is performed recursively on an attribute and it will partition the data into separate groups. So attribute values will be grouped into separate. So that is known as a concept hierarchy. So concept hierarchies we have already studied. So these are useful for mining at multiple levels of abstraction. So for generating concept hierarchies, we can do the process known as discretization. The concept hierarchies can be used to reduce the data by collecting and replacing low-level concepts with high-level concepts. For example, numerical values for the attribute age can be represented as youth, middle-aged or senior. So these are known as high-level concepts. We can represent the age values with the actual age in years, or either we can use high-level concepts such as youth, middle-aged or senior. Although detail is lost by such data generalization, the generalized data may be more meaningful and easier to interpret. So for some particular cases or for some studies, it will be more good if we generalize the data in such a way. So it will provide more meaningful and it will be easier to interpret also. So this is an example for a concept hierarchy generation based on the discretization process. A concept hierarchy is generated for attribute price. Here at the low level we have divided the price into groups of 100, that is $0 to $100, $100 to 200. Like that we have up to $900 to $1000. In the next higher level, we have grouped that into 0 to 200, then 200 to 400, and in the higher level, we have $0 to $1000. So this is a concept hierarchy for the particular attribute price. The discretization and concept hierarchy vary according to the type of data. It will vary for numerical data as well as for categorical data. First we will see discretization concept hierarchy generation for numerical data. Concept hierarchies for numerical attributes can be constructed automatically based on data discretization. We do not need to do any other process. We just can create concept hierarchies based on data discretization. So this will automatically generate concept hierarchies. We can go for methods: binning, histogram analysis, entropy-based discretization, squared merging, cluster analysis, and discretization by inductive partitioning. So this can be used for this purpose. Discretization and concept hierarchy generation for categorical data. Categorical data are also known as discrete data. This type of attributes have a finite number of distinct values. Usually finite number of distinct values, but possibly it may have large number of values with no ordering among the values. Examples of such data include geographic location, job category, and item type. Hierarchies for categorical attributes are implicit within the database schema and can be automatically defined at the schema definition level. So these categorical values can be defined at the schema definition level, and we can generate concept hierarchies automatically when we define the categorical attributes at the schema definition level. There are different methods for the generation of concept hierarchies for categorical data. Specification of a partial ordering of attributes explicitly at the schema level by users or experts. Specification of a portion of a hierarchy by explicit data grouping, or specification of a set of attributes but not of their partial ordering. So these are the different methods for the generation of concept hierarchies for categorical data. This is an example for the automatic generation of a schema concept hierarchy. These are based on the number of distinct attribute values. See this figure, we have street values. It is having the largest distinct values. So we have considered it as the low level concept. Then we are representing city. This distinct values are lesser than the street values. So we have placed city here. Then we have more lesser values for the province or state, and we have very little values, distinct values for the country. So this is the way we have generated the schema concept hierarchy for a particular attribute. So for example, address attribute can have this particular concept hierarchy. So these are based on number of distinct attribute values. So we have discussed about the data discretization and concept hierarchy generation. And data discretization can be used for automatic generation of concept hierarchies, and this can be used to the data reduction process. Study all these points together with the steps of pre-processing.